Myself, B.S. Prasad, Managing Director of GMT Engineers. Welcome to Innovate, Bharat. The BC 1400 panel bender machine. This particular machine is a special machine which helps the Indian manufacturers to produce panels of sizes of 1400 and to do complex bending operations. This machine is capable of doing hemming inside, outside. There is a wide variety of products that can be made on this machine. GMT Engineers was established in the year 1988. We have now expanded to the southern cities like Coimbatore, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Cochin. We have a warehouse of about 15,000 square feet in Chennai where we stock and sell these machines. These machines get checked, inspected and then it is shipped out to our customers' places. We have a complete set of trained sales and service engineers. And when it comes to service, we pride ourselves in the service that we give to the industry.